Welcome to Health and Wellness with Dr. Naeem. Let's start your journey to better health today.
Today, we'll explore an amazing natural remedy, cumin and fennel water, or Zira or Saunf Ka Pani. This simple drink can help you improve digestion, lose weight, and cleanse your body naturally. Cumin, or Zira, and fennel, or Saunf, are two powerful kitchen ingredients packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. When soaked and boiled in water, their nutrients infuse into the water, creating a natural detox drink. Take 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Boil them in 2 glasses of water for 5 to 7 minutes. Let it cool slightly and strain the water. You can drink it warm in the morning on an empty stomach or after meals. 1. Improves digestion. This drink helps reduce gas, bloating, and acidity by stimulating digestive enzymes. 2. Promotes weight loss. Regular use can improve metabolism and help burn fat naturally.
3. Relieves constipation and acidity. It soothes the stomach and helps regulate bowel movements.
4. Good for skin and hair. The antioxidants remove toxins, giving you clear skin and healthy hair. 5. Regulates blood pressure. Fennel contains potassium, which helps control blood pressure naturally. 6. Boosts immunity. Cumin is rich in iron and vitamin C, which strengthen your immune system. When and how to drink. Drink 1 glass in the morning and 1 in the evening for best results. Avoid adding sugar. If you like, add a few drops of lemon or honey for taste. Precautions. Do not overuse. 1 to 2 glasses daily is enough. Pregnant women or people on medication should consult their doctor before using regularly. Cumin and fennel water is a natural, safe, and powerful home remedy. Try it for a few days and feel the difference in your digestion. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Health and Wellness with Dr. Naeem. Stay healthy, stay blessed.